All right, so let me show you how you can combine AI with AI, all right, to make your post even more amazing. All right, so let's go here to a website known as Midjourney, right? Midjourney.com. You can see that I already have searched for it lately. And this is also an AI tool that enables you to generate images. Now click there and join the beta, all right? So click on join the beta and it's gonna take you directly to Discord. Do not be shocked about this because this is what it's happening or where it is happening. And it has 8 million members on the Discord. Just on the Discord, they have 8 million people that are using the software here. And it's particularly for free. Let me show you some of the crazy things that you can do with this software. But first of all, I'm gonna have to teach you some syntax that you need to use because you can't just use it as you wish. It doesn't answer pretty much direct questions. You're gonna have to use a specific syntax so in order to get your question answered. So let's now go back to our post in Medium. And here, ebooks are popular digital products. All right, so I wanted to give me an image of an ebook of Gandalf and Sauron fighting, right? So I'm gonna say here, right, follow, yeah, okay, that's good. Well, no. Let's just scroll down and go to one of these newcomer rooms. I'm going to go to the room Newbies 86. Right. Don't take that for insult. Newbies is actually a good term. So here, let's go down and I want you to click slash and imagine, right? Slash imagine. There you go. So slash imagine and click on this, here, and it's slash imagine prompt. And let's just tell it or give it an instruction of image, or not image, but book cover, ebook cover, right? Ebook cover. And I'm going to add a comma here and say Gandalf, right? Gandalf and Sauron fighting in a dark, fiery background, right? And you can actually give it more information, such as the size of the book, 6 by 9 inches, right? 6 by 9 inches, and amazing book cover, right? And let's just enter. So right now it's going to take some time. You can see right here, it's actually sending a command and now it is processing our order. Now you can see that other people as well are similar to us, are sending their commands. Now, of course, this is a bot, so it can do operations very, very fast, but you're going to have to wait a little bit here and pay careful attention to the images. It will actually send us 4 iterations, right? So it will send us, pretty much like these images here. If I click any one of those images, this is not my request, but this was the request of somebody before me. And it gives you 4 choices, and you can actually either choose to upscale or you can choose to, make or get more of that. So here's our image of Sauron and Gandalf, a book cover. And right now, what I want to do is I'm going to take one. So, all right, so I happen to like this one here, right? The last one, the 4th one. So I'm going to upscale it. Now, what upscale means is once you click on that button, upscale, it's going to give you an image, like this one, a big image that you can, after that you can download. And that's the image that I'm going to use for my blog, right? So let's just wait for it for a second here. And you can clearly see the power of AI here. Now, we'll wait for it, right? So that's kind of good. Well, there's another person here that actually gave a request of Gandalf fights a frog, but the frog knows Kung Fu. That's just amazing, man. I mean, AI is just, another dimension, man. So let's just scroll down here. We're waiting for our image to show up. It could take some time, right? And you can see that some people are using it for logos. They're using it to design logos. So, hey, if you are a Fiverr designer, I mean, this is an opportunity for you. I mean, you can just you can just take the instructions of whatever people are giving you. Now, obviously, the good thing about AI is that 99.99% of the population are not aware that AI even exists. So if you're a logo designer, all right, logo design, if you search for logo design on Fiverr, you're going to see that people are making decent money from it, to be honest with you. Some people are making $5 per design, but even these kind of designs, if I click on this design here, and let me show you in a minute that you can actually use this to achieve a similar or even better design than this with the AI. So let's go back to the AI here, Midjourney, right? Where were we? Right, Discord. Let's scroll down here. Now just look at this. Look at this image here. And you can see the creativity that it can just add. Now, this is the image. You can make variations of it. So if you want more variations of this image, you can make more variations. Or you can just click the image, like in my case, I'm just going to click the image and I'm going to download the image, right? So I'm just going to download it in my computer. And later on, I'm going to take that image and basically I'm going to go to Medium now, right? And I'm just going to give, all right, I'm going to click plus here. I'm going to add the image, which I've just added right now. That helps give a layer of complexity and creativity to your article. So you can see right now, our article kind of is starting to look a little bit better. And now for the second one here, online courses. Now you can either continue pretty much doing the same thing here, generating images using AI. Just remember to click here /imagine, right? And click here on prompt and just give your description of what you want your book to look like. Or you can simply go to a tool such as Canva here, which I already have opened. Now, this is a 1200 pixels by 800 pixels. And you can actually choose a smaller size if you don't like that big size. Now, let's choose something like a 512 by 512 pixels. That seems like a decent size there. And basically, after you choose that, what we're going to do here is, to put it simply, I'm just going to click on elements and let's search for an image that has to do with online courses. So online courses. And this is also pretty much, you can consider it as an AI because people are posting images here and you can use not artificial intelligence, but this is human intelligence. All right. So if I go to the photos, I can find some interesting images about online courses. And let's say that you like this image here. You can take it, make it a little bit bigger, tweak it a little bit. And right, so it just looks pretty good to me. And also you can resize this image if you want to. So you can just click the image and resize your design, right? So you can just, change the size. Maybe you want more width. Maybe let's say you want 700 in width, right? And you can click copy and resize. Automatically, it will open up another window and you can go to that window. Basically, it's going to keep the same image, except for right now you have more room, right? You have more room to breathe because we've added more in width. But I'm just going to keep it like that. And you could pretty much just click download. And if you have the pro version of Canva, you can use transparent background. If you click here, it's going to download the image transparent. And you can basically edit the image. If you click edit image, you can add more contrast to it. In my case, I want to add more contrast because I want to put more emphasis on text. And I want the online courses to just pop up and show up. So I'm going to click on download here. And all I have to do is to go back to this post on Medium and just paste my image, right? I'm just going to paste my image. And all right, so paste the image, add the image here, right? So there you go. And this is pretty amazing to me, a pretty amazing way that you can use to create a post. Now, of course, we can't just continue to do this forever for 7 of these. So you just got the point now. You have Canva, you have the AI that you can use to generate images, but the AI can't just do that. I mean, it can do anything you want it to do. And basically, we're going to continue discovering more and more and more about what you can do with this AI. So eventually here, right? So I'm just going to publish the post, right? And there you go. I'm going to publish the post, give it a category maybe of passive income, right? Digital marketing, right? And you can give, 3 more categories if you want. I'm just going to click publish. And so right now that the post was published, there you go. You have a post. 9 digital products you can sell and make money while you sleep. It's entirely optimized, proofread, checked for plagiarism with a few decent images. One was generated by AI, another one we generated with Canva, and you can actually generate more and more images if you want to. So next, in the next lecture, we're gonna go to ChatGPT and explore some of the more things that I personally use it as a digital marketer, and that actually helps me. And then later on, we're gonna go to some of the things that you can use it for, such as coding, such as designing, just a lot of things. So tune in for the course. There's about 30 minutes left or 40 minutes left for the course to complete. And hopefully you liked it. If you liked the course, please leave a review and do not forget to complete the course to get the most value out of it.